So as we're loading candle holders into the kiln, there's a few parts that we need. We need our candle holder mold. We need our kiln shelf paper that's pre-cut to 10 inch by 10 inch. Or if we're doing a smaller piece, we have our 7 by 7 inch. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is center the paper on your candle holder. So place it on top, fold it over the top in half, and you're just looking to make sure that it's even on both sides there. And then we're going to do it on the other side. See, it's a little off, so I just need to adjust it. Just get it centered as best you can. For part 2, we're going to take our piece, we're going to do a circle piece here, and we're going to get it centered as best we can just with our eyeball. And then we're going to grab the tool here. It has these little tick marks on it, and that's how we're going to actually center the piece. So we're going to use that, press it right up against the cup so that we can measure out the length. And we're just going to go from one side to the opposite side first. And you can go back and forth as you need just to make sure it's good. And then we're going to go the other side to the other side. Okay? Making little adjustments as we go. And then double check that first bit if you have to move it. Okay? So now that your candle holder is centered, as you're moving it, you want to place your one finger or a couple fingers on top, right in the center, and then you're going to pick the cup up from the bottom and then transport it over to the kiln. Now, if we were using or working with a different piece, like a square, same thing, we're going to get it centered on here. Okay. Then we'll take our square piece, and again, we're going to get it as centered as we can, and then go back with our tick marks. Okay, and we're going to line it up, see where it falls, make sure we're nice and even. Okay, all centered, and same thing, pick it up, just like that. And now the last candle holder, if we had a smaller 6-inch piece, this is the square version, grab our 7 by 7, and again, just matching it up. Now for the squares on the small ones, I like to go corner to corner. So we're going to again get our tool, and we're going to match it up as best we can. And that's how we center our candle holders, just like that.